Looking to boost your IELTS score quickly? With the right strategies and focused practice, you can make significant improvements in just 1 week. Here are 5 essential tips to help you enhance your performance efficiently. Start by enhancing your vocabulary and grammar. These are crucial for both the speaking and writing sections. Study high-frequency IELTS words and incorporate them into your sentences. Concentrate on topic-specific vocabulary and refine your complex sentence structures. Improve your speaking skills by timing yourself. Many candidates struggle with fluency. Practice speaking for 1-2 minutes on random topics without pausing. Record your responses, listen back, and identify areas for improvement, particularly in fluency and vocabulary range. For reading, master skimming and scanning techniques. These help with quick comprehension, allowing you to find main ideas and specific information rapidly. Practice skimming paragraphs under a timer, then scan for keywords in the questions to answer accurately and efficiently. Use practice tests wisely. Start the week with a full-length practice test to highlight weak areas. Focus your practice on these areas for the remainder of the week. Break down sections and work on challenging question types like true/false/not given until comfortable. Analyze model answers for writing tasks. This can reveal insights into structure and style, especially for Task 2 essays, which are more heavily weighted. Review high-scoring essays, noting vocabulary and transitions. Write 1 essay daily, emphasizing clarity and coherence. By combining these strategies with consistent practice, you can see noticeable improvements in just a week. Stay focused, manage your pace, and learn from each practice session. Your dedication will pay off. Good luck with your IELTS preparation.